Hello and good morning. Today we are here in beautiful Phuket, Thailand. We're actually going to go visit a villa that a client wants to go look at today. But before that, let's go eat. Hello. Yeah, we're at Robinson in Chalong. What do you want to eat today? Noodle? Right here. Wow, look at the food court. You know, I did see some hamburgers over there, so I might get some of that. Dang, this food looking delicious. That was way too expensive. It was 200 baht just for the burger. I don't even get fries with that. Yeah, just the burger. That's so expensive. It's like more expensive than McDonald's. I think so. All right, I've settled for some petra pao. Oh yeah, look at that. Classic. I can't find a table. There's no tables available. Oh boy. It's false advertising. โอ้100 นึงฉันใส่ไข่เยี่ยวม้าแล้วมันเพิ่มไป100 นึงจะอร่อยนะโอ้นี่ดูอร่อยนะอันนี้ไม่ต่างกันเลย95 บาท Wow. You know what I've noticed? America is so happy. All pictures of like food advertisement and promotion and stuff is always so like perfect, like spot on to what you're supposed to get. Here in Thailand, they just put like AI photos of random stuff or like stock photos of things, and it's like totally fine. You kind of just have to just remember that it might not look like that, or the portion might not even be that size. Yeah. Here's gonna get some chai drama.
น้องรู้สึกว่าชาไทยที่มันไม่ใส่สีมันมีรสไหม้มากกว่าชาไทยที่มันใส่สี
But for me, I'm gonna go get this other one. It's called Mishuing. The Chinese brand is like taking Thailand by storm. Literally over like 30,000 locations, and you'll see why in a second, because it's like literally these little tiny pop-ups in the mall. So they're like everywhere. Every place has one, even the local markets now. And the best part is, look at that price. Come on, that's how you can beat the other competitors easily. You know what? On top of that, there's another thing that I've been meaning to try now for quite some time, and it's right here. Look, there's like choco sticks. Like, what is even that? Try it. Alright, let's go.
I'll do it.
Yeah, I guess Air wants some too now. You want that? No, I hate raisins, bro. You're not putting. Go get another basket. Go get another basket. If you want that, go put it in another basket.
It's a little bit.
No. That is never gonna belong in one of my baskets. It has raisins. Yeah, okay? That's fine. It's an apple fruity thingy. Doesn't have no raisins, okay? Can I try one? It's okay? This one? Wait, is this the one the same at in the mall? Same. Oh, okay. Yeah, we had it before then. Okay. All right, thank you. Checking audio. Bap. Remember KFC? Yesterday?
Yeah.
Roll the clips.
Yeah. 1 hour and 50, right? 30. Yeah, 1 hour and 30.
Holy shit.ฉันว่าไม่นะแต่ว่าจริงเหรอมันไม่ควรจะขึ้นจอนี้เลยถ้ามันไม่สามารถจริงเหรอ So come here, check out this villa today. A client actually wants to do a viewing, so we're coming to help him out. But check this out. Oh.
อันนี้เป็นสร้างใหม่หรือรีโนเวทอันเดิม
Yo, this is nice.
อุตส่าห์เป็น
Wow. Wow, look at that view. That is awesome. So you get your own private lotus pond,
ว้าว
right?
เรดวิว
Yeah. It's a pond view, but wow, check out this here. It's got like cool. Wow. Okay. All I gotta say right now is wow. And there's only one room so far. Oh, this one has its own bathroom. Look how big this bathroom is. Holy. So big. Wow. So this is a huge dining room table. I love the wood. Check that. Wood chairs as well. It's an 8-seater. Yep. And then here, oh my gosh. It's a huge kitchen. Wood and marble. Minimalistic. Oh my goodness. Oh, so there's a wall here and the window there. You've got this making it look very, very cozy. Like very comfy, cozy vibes from here. Wow. Oh, look at that chandelier system going on. You got this marble backdrop. Wow. And then when you go over here, oh my gosh. Guys, what is this? This is crazy. The price for this one is ridiculously good. So coming up the stairs, we're actually greeted by the masters first, which is huge. And then once you walk into the bathroom, it's literally another bedroom in here. Like, look how big this is. You also got a walk-in closet. Insane. I love the like cozy, comfy, small ceiling rooms, but in the bedroom, it's a higher ceiling. I love that. I don't know why. The master here has a balcony, a huge balcony. It's actually shared if you want it to be from the hallway there. But look at that. You've got a view of Big Buddha too. Bam. Then walk across the hallway and you are greeted by the second room. This one's a little smaller, but not the smallest. The bathroom is huge yet again. Like that. Closet space here. Got the view of the pool from this room. And then the fourth room, or the third one up here, is like this. Has a small balcony, a little closet space. Again, huge bathroom, like this. I love the finish they got here going on. Wood and all that stuff. Very, very beautiful. I think this is awesome. Okay, now we're headed to villa number 2. We're at the second property. Check out this. It's almost like 2 houses put together, and there's an upstairs too, so let's go check it out. Okay, this one's like a Japanese style, kind of interesting. There's no mattress, but there is a platform. There is a bathroom in there. Another one bedroom here, and then leads to another bedroom here. Yeah, a little interesting. 1, 2. Huh. The pool. Huge long pool, like super long. It is a funny layout, that's all. Like, you got a movie theater room. Whoa! Shabu time. Hey.
ตู้เดี๋ยวเขาจะเติมปูอีกปะ
All right, so after exploring both of those villas with the client, I think there was definitely a clear winner. But before I give you my thoughts, and also, I mean, my client's thought too, I'm gonna give you the price of the first villa. Oh, I can't open this. Give me a second. Okay, so the reason I actually took you guys to go eat at Robinson is because both locations were like 5-10 minutes. Robinson, Chalong. And I think that's a real big plus to have a mall right next to where you live. And then also, because you're next to the Robinson Chalong, you're also next to Soi Tai Iet, which is a fitness street. So, what's the difference between those two villas? Well, there was definitely a drastic visual difference, right? The first one was very newly renovated. The design was very minimalistic and like modern. And the second one honestly had a really weird layout. There was a room that was a bedroom that you walked in and there was another bedroom. So I think in that aspect, the layout, the first villa won. The second one would be very nice for someone who's doing like an investment property, especially because they're near the Soitaiyet, right? So there might be a lot of people who are backpackers that are trying to look for a room or like multiple rooms within one house. If you were to buy that and turn it into a like hostel or some kind of rental property, I think it would do really well because all the amenities are there and it was a really big space. But that being said, the first property that we viewed was my favorite and also my client's favorite. They're probably most likely going to end up putting an offer for it. I'll update you guys if they do. Pricing. So the first villa pricing was 28.9 million Thai baht. So that's roughly less than $1 million. I think we're looking at around like 800 to 900 USD. The second one was just, let me ask Air, babe, how much was the second villa? How much the price?
29.9
Oh, it's more expensive? Oh, okay. So the second villa was actually more expensive than the first one. The second one was 29.9. But I mean, of course, you get more property and space and all that stuff. But if you were to live in it, I think we can all agree the first one was better. Now I'm gonna eat some shabu because, well, I'm hungry. Oh my god, babe. You're already going crazy with the shrimp. Yeah. And then I love these shrimp. I think they're basically like marinated in like a fish sauce type of thing. Honestly, I couldn't explain it to you, but they're delicious. They're also raw. You eat it like that. They got crab as well, apparently. So, well, the cool thing about this place is you got shabu and you got a grill. Babe, which villa do you like better today? Villa number 1 or number 2?
Because I think it's fresh and new and everything like color, like feeling, I think it's better.
Today I'm gonna be teaching you how to make some som tam. This is the way I make it. So if there's any Isan people out there, well, you just make it your way. I'll make it my way. First off, we're gonna start with some garlic. Meow. Throw that baby boy in there. Special white powder. Throw that in there as well. Next up, you're gonna want palm sugar. Not normal sugar. Sugar of the palm. Just a little bit. You're gonna wanna chase it with some plara. If you don't like this, you don't have to eat it, but I mean, you can't really have something without plara. What that's gonna do is melt the sugar that you just put in there. So now you got sugar, garlic, and the plara. หลังจากนั้นเราจะใส่มะเขือเทศ You have to cut it on the crook. Okay, gonna give it a little bit of a squash, not too much. Manao. I think we're gonna use only 2/3 of this. Squeeze. I like throwing it in there too. Oh, ฉันลืมใส่พริก I forgot chilies, everybody. Chilies is very important. You should have put this in with the garlic. So, we'll put 3. It's okay. The reason you want to put it with the garlic is so that you can squash it up nicer before it gets all liquidy. Next up, we got ooh. Hitting. Oh my god. And you're finished with this. It looks great, but it probably tastes like really bad.
ดีนะมันเอาไว้โชว์หน้าร้านนะไม่ใช่ว่า
เก็บยี่ไหม